when you look at oil, is it only symptomatic of oil? So this is basically an economy that is being suspended. You also have a role in ETFs and the fact that they don't want to take hold of this physical crude just because they don't have storage capacity. Or does it say that the economy is much worse than anyone's expecting?
Well, thank you, Francine. It's certainly not the ETFs. Ironically, the U.S. oil funds just saw a $1.7 billion inflow just a few days before WTI crashed. Someone was obviously looking for a bottom, which still has to be found. But I think what has been exacerbated this crisis was, a very unfortunate confluence of a very silly spat between Riyadh and Moscow that really kicked this off in the beginning, that has all the ingredients to just exacerbate this. Meanwhile, European and U.S. oil producers seem to have sleepwalked into this. They didn't seem to have received the virus memo that suggests to them what the International Energy Agency suggested a month ago, that they should cut their supplies dramatically. Well, the reality is, if you look at the U.S. oil market, they only started to reduce the pump just about last week. And then, of course, we all now know that the world is simply running out of inventories, somewhat embarrassingly, like the bathtub is running over and nobody is turning off the tap. What we expect is the world will come to normalize again in some kind of U-shaped recovery. Those inventories will be bought again, and oil prices at this level are simply not sustainable. They are quite simply not sustainable, and we see that both in the futures curve, but they will move substantially higher over the next 12 months. And there will be companies and investors making a killing from this.